Hey, what up? Your girl Dimepiece back with another hair tutorial with RastAfri, and it's about their Paradise Locs 2X. You can experience paradise with their Paradise Locs 2X. Their single loop crochet locks are a combination of locks and curls with wavy strands and ends, each curl extended for the perfect goddess lock look. So each pack comes with 2 bundles, and I use a total of 5 packs to achieve my look that you'll see at the end of the video. So let's go ahead and grab the tools that you'll need to create this look. So grab a crochet needle, they're available at any beauty supply store, and a single Paradise lock to crochet into your braid base. Make sure you put your needle in open, latch the Paradise lock, close the needle and pull through. Remove the crochet needle from the Paradise lock and bring the Paradise lock through the single loop. Now the Paradise lock is crocheted into your hair. Super easy, right? So let's go ahead and repeat these steps to complete the style. So the work is cut out for you in a good way. Literally, it's cut out. You're not going to be doing a lot of work because the Paradise lock is already done for you. Normally, you would have to braid your hair in individuals. You would have had to weave in the wavy hair to create the wavy ends, crochet the wavy ends out of the lock to create the wavy strands, and wrap the hair around your individual to create the actual lock. We're talking hours, and no one has time for that. All you have to do is single loop crochet each Paradise lock, and that's it. There's so many hairstyles you can do. Of course, single loop crochet, ponytails, pinup styles, add natural beauty to your own style, protective style, and hybrid styles. And look, just like that, we're all done. RastAfri Paradise Locs 2X. I'm wearing color 1B, but it's available in so many other colors. And I crocheted 5 packs into my hair. For full style, I'd recommend anywhere from 5 to 7 packs. And speaking of packs, there's a lot of information on the back, like how to keep up with RastAfri on social media at RastAfri Braid and their sister brand, Fashion Source Wigs at FS_wigs. Alright, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I have another style on the way, so be sure to click that bell right above to receive notifications on the next video. Also, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for your support. See you on the next video.